Hello guys, I am Sagar Sonone and today I am going to discuss about the antigen as well as antibody. Okay, so antigen or the immunogens are the substances or the toxins in human body that trigger body to fight them, and antigen are usually bacteria or viruses that they can be other substances from the outside of a human body that threaten to the human health, and this battle called as the immune responses. And presence of the antigen as well resist human body illness and fighting with the WBC, that is the white blood cell, and also called as the lymphocytes. So the presence of antigen causes the white blood cell to make the cells called the antibodies to fight against the antigens. Okay, and so there are two types of antigen. Okay, so first is the heterogeneous heteroantigens, and second is the autoantigen. Okay, so heteroantigen are nothing but the substances that are the foreign to your body and involve the substances they can made by the or the found within the body. Okay, so that is a example of the hetero antigens. They are the viruses, bacteria, protozoa, white blood cells, and the red blood cells from the other peoples. Next is a sick woman, allergens such as the pollen and certain protein in the food. Okay, and second is the autoantigen. Autoantigen are the self antigen. They are made by the human body and to fight our cells, and they are usually seen as an illness such as the autoimmune condition. Okay, so now we can discuss about the antibody. So antibody are also called as the immunoglobulins, means Ig, and they are the Y-shaped protein made by the human system, that is a B lymphocyte or the B cells. Okay, so B cells attack and eliminate viruses and other toxins outside from the cell, and they do this by the making specific antibodies or by a single type of antigen, and those are the tolerated antibodies lack of to the lock on to the specific antigen and tag them for the attack, and the antibodies are also block those antigens, keeping them away from your health or the healthy cells, and ultimately antibodies kills those antigens and stopping the infections. So we can discuss about the different types of antibodies, means how many types of antibodies or the immunoglobulins are they included. There is the IgJ, IgM, IgE, and the IgA and IgE. Okay, so first of all the IgG. There are the most abundant type of antibodies in the our human plasma. They detoxify harmful substances and provide long-term protections. Second is the IgM. IgM are the first antibodies. They are made up of by beta cells in the response to the antigens. Next is the IgA. IgAs are the antibodies that collect antigen from the and remove them from body to the in mucus and other body fluid. Next is the IgE. IgE are the antibodies that trigger allergies and protect against parasites, and the small amount are skin, lungs, and mucosal membrane. And next is the IgD. IgD are the antibodies. They bind to the beta cells and signal them to release the IgM antibody. Okay, so each antibody guards to the against target antigens, and they many types of the antibodies they are found together or throughout our body, and they play a vital role in the human body's defense against the illness as well as the disease. Okay, so vaccines work by the imitating antigens that trigger infection without causing illness, so that the infection mimic by the vaccines and enters in the human body, and against and the human body already has what it needs to protect you. Okay, so vaccines include the weakened and inactive parts of the antigens from vital infection as well, like the flu, and those inactive antigens trigger beta cells to make the targeted antibodies to fight that the specific infection. Okay, So in this today's video we can discuss about all information related to antigen and antibodies, and we can discuss about their classifications of the antigen and antibodies, and we can already discuss about the vaccines. So thank you.